the abundance of charging cables can feel overwhelming due to technological progress and lack of universal standards.
Tech evolution led to the emergence of new connectors like micro-USB, USB-C, and Lightning, each offering significant improvements. Lack of universal standards allows manufacturers to design proprietary connectors, creating fragmentation in the ecosystem. USB-C is gaining traction as the preferred standard due to its versatility and ability to handle data, power, and video. In 2024, the EU passed legislation requiring a common charger port for mobile phones, potentially pushing wider adoption of USB-C. The future of charging cables might see a mix of standards, with USB-C becoming dominant and other proprietary connectors for specialized devices. Growing pressure towards standardization may lead to the end of cable juggling days.